guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This has been long overdue, long overdue. Sorry about that. I'm finally doing it. I'm finally getting what is mine, doing what I need to do, and bring you guys the content you deserve. You know what I'm saying? So welcome. And I just decided, you know what, let me come on here like serious, give makeup, make it show, you understand? But anyways, my name is Noluthando Madonsela. I don't want to say much about what I do and all of that, but this channel is basically going to be mostly food content, food recipes. I'll do a bit of vlogs as well, but anything related to food, I'm your girl. This face is your girl. So come on here on a weekly basis, I pray, but I shouldn't have an excuse because I have content for days. When I say for days, I mean for years. When I say for years, I mean infinity and beyond, because I have been shooting content for y'all for long, you know. And I don't want to come on here and be like, hi guys, I'm starting a YouTube channel, and then I don't give content. Actually, I hate YouTubers that do that. So I'm not gonna be that YouTuber. I'm gonna try and be as consistent as possible and give you the content you deserve. By subscribing to my channel, you will get, listen, you see the food I always cook. Those who know me know the food that I always cook. You're gonna get the scoop and the recipes. Listen, do you understand? So yeah, thank you so much if you have subscribed already. If not, please do subscribe. And yeah, I definitely will explore other avenues and other videos, and maybe things that you guys might like that maybe I don't provide. So I don't want to be that I'm doing this, I'm doing that, you know. I want to be open to trying new things, you know. And I shot it in our kitchen, because by our kitchen I mean my parents' house. Serious, I don't own any house. I don't own any house, but anyways, I shot it in the kitchen because for the purpose of the fact that I'm basically going to be doing mostly food, right? And if that's something you like, if that's something you want to see, please do subscribe. Yeah, there's also going to be a butter chicken recipe, a quick butter chicken recipe after this little intro that I did for you guys. I really do hope you enjoy it, because man, that chicken slapped. But if you don't like hot things, like if you don't like spicy food, I don't recommend that you make it. But yeah, and if you do make it, please do leave a comment. Let me know if you liked it. Let me know, man. But yeah, I really do hope you enjoy that video. I mean the rest of this video. And yeah, will mostly find my recipes in the description box below, right? And if you have anything to say to me, if you have anything that you wanna, you know, I'll also leave all my handles for Instagram. Well, just Instagram. Yeah. So just Instagram. I'll leave my handle down below, so if you want to DM me and ask me any questions and all of that, or if you have video suggestions, down below. But anyways, thank you so much for watching my first video. I really do hope you do come back next week, same time. Standard African, you know, time. It's SAST, yeah, that one. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching, and cheers. Enjoy the rest of your week.